Still a lot of snow to come, and this is right where Mike Seidel was in Worthington. You can see it here on our map. 7 inches is our anticipated additional snowfall forecast ending tomorrow night. You'll notice that Sioux Falls is also in that 7-inch range. Sioux City, you're at 5 inches. Now you go out a little to the farther to the south, down 29. You're more in the 5 to 4-inch range. But I got to tell you what, that's still enough to cause some headaches, especially whenever you're getting the main roads plowed, but you're not getting your roads plowed in the neighborhoods and such. So I'm going to give a little shout out to Jessica, see if I can get a little space bar love on this. To get this advanced on through, and we'll talk about what's going on beyond this time frame and exactly what's feeding into this system, because 90 travel is just really going to be a nightmare. This is an area that we're going to see a lot of travel headaches, and it's not, like we mentioned, it's not just this morning, although this morning is pretty tough because, you know, you just got home and you're like, okay, I got to go back to work, and then you've got this to contend with. Okay, Grand Island, you're kind of staying in this mix, you'll notice, because of the winds coming around like this. Des Moines, you kind of get out of it, and most of the snow stays on the north side of this low. You can see that low, how it tracks almost right over the Twin Cities. And we're going to see plenty of snow drawn back down over the lakes as well. So Minneapolis tonight into tomorrow, even though your temperatures aren't frigid, they're just below freezing. That's going to be plenty, Chris, to get lots of snow out of this system. And it's over. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about your November stats, because, you know, we're closing out the month. We're about to make our way into December. You know, Devember, that's what I'm calling today, apparently. You know, that's where we're looking at what we've had over the past 30 days or so. So we're actually, the West Coast, you've been below average. And, you know, that's exactly what we would expect with a setup like what we've seen, right? You get a big trough like this, and then you get all these ridges that hang out like this, and that's where all that cold air can come out of Canada. And that's exactly what we saw. The upper Midwest and the Northeast, well above average, while most of the Southern Plains were below average, or were above average, and even into Florida, well above average. Look at this. You have had your warmest November on record in New York City. First, that's right, you're number one, 5.2 degrees above your average average temperature for November, which is incredible. You know, Philly, Albany, Cleveland, you all came in second, so close but no cigar, but still very, very close here.
Would this be September?
This would be looking back to, yeah, September. September, going from September to November. Pittsburgh is in 4th place, but it came in 4th. Incredible warm.
Incredible. Not a lot of people, I don't think, complaining over the weekend.
I don't think too many.
Not too many people. Right now, though, it is time to go